Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 custom painting bicycle frame. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is 29er MTB Carbon Frame. Specifications: brand name Sakati, model number DRMF04, material carbon, surface processing mode gloss, is customized yes, use mountain bikes, weight 1180 g, foldable no, origin mainland China, warranty 2 years. Item number 4 is Sakati Newset Color 29er MTB Frame. Specifications: brand name Sakati, model number DCMF04, material carbon, surface processing mode gloss, is customized yes, use mountain bikes, weight 1180 g, size 17 inches, foldable no. Item type: carbon mountain bike frame. User: unisex. Warranty: 2 years. Customized available. Origin: mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected new GT30 carbon gravel frame. Specifications: brand name Ferriol, model number GT30, material carbon, use road bicycles, foldable no, frame size XS, S, M, L, XL, finish glossy or matte, origin mainland China. Item number 2 is disc brake carbon gravel bike frame. Specifications: brand name BXT, model number BXT Gravel 135, material carbon, surface processing mode matte, is customized yes, use mountain bikes, road bicycles, weight 1300 g, foldable no, max load 250 kilograms, origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BXT brand T1000 Carbon MTB Frame. Specifications: brand name BXT, model number BXT MTB 015/036, material carbon, surface processing mode matte, is customized yes, use mountain bikes carbon frame, weight 1300 g, foldable no, max load 250 kilograms, origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.